Alright, so I just picked up this Tesla Model S Plaid Hot Wheel, and honestly, it already looks amazing right out of the box. But I had this crazy idea. Why not turn it into something totally unique? First, I covered the windshield, nice and neat, with tape trimmed to fit perfectly around the edges. Then I moved on to the side windows, carefully sealing them so no paint sneaks through. All the windows and the windshield now fully covered, the Tesla is starting to look like a blank canvas. I covered up the brake lights, making sure they stay sharp and untouched when the gold paint goes on. With everything masked and ready, it's time to grab the paint gun and spray this Tesla in gold. Once the paint was done, I carefully peeled off all the masking tape. And man, this is the most satisfying part. Clean edges, crisp lines, and that gold shine popping out like crazy. Whoa, look at that! And there it is, the Tesla Model S Plaid Hot Wheels reborn in gold. I'm seriously loving how this turned out. What do you guys think? Would you add this to your collection? Drop a comment below. To finish things off, I decided to give the headlights a little attitude, a subtle black tint, almost like sunglasses for the car. It instantly gave it that aggressive, custom vibe.